everyone. Today we introduce how to treat the lower back pain. We use the balance acupuncture from Dr. Tang. Balance acupuncture, the diagnosis is different from the traditional Chinese acupuncture because balance acupuncture focuses the meridian balance. How to balance the meridians. The lower back pain is this part. This part is lower back pain. Okay, include the spine is a dual meridian, and both sides is bladder meridian. Bladder 足太阳膀胱经 bladder meridian, both sides. Now the first one is the spine. Lumbar sprain is quite often. This is a very common accident injuries for the lower back pain. The dual meridian is spine sprain. How? Now treat the dual meridian injuries. We use this part. I call it as 腰痛 point. 腰痛is the back pain from the middle of the forehead. If the pain is particularly in the center of the spine, and then the needles going from up to the lower, from above to the direction to the nose, is flat. The needles is flat, entering the skin and steep going down until the feeling, the sensation reach the end of the nose. And then you ask a patient to slowly move the back, stretch the spine. To stretch means so upper body going up, lower body going downwards, and then to unblock the spine to make the pain release. And then you will find the pain is immediately released, at least 80% pain relief. Yeah, that is for treat the spine injury in the center of the spine, in the central. Now, if the pain from the spine variate to the side, so either right side or left side. If the pain spreading to the sides, or for example, if it is spreading to the left side, and then treatment going the other way, put the needles like this from the center, the middle of the forehead. If the left side is pain, and then the direction going to the right side. If the pain the right side of the spine, and then the needles going to the left side. In the middle of the forehead, the direction going to the left side. If the pain in the right side, this is effective to the spine is a dual meridian. This is the most common injuries. Now we are going to teach how to treat the lower back pain in the side, not in the middle. So the dual meridian, the spine not affected. It's only both sides, mainly is muscles pain. It's sprain muscle or injury the muscles. The lower back, either side. That's not matter. Don't worry, either side. It's mainly the muscles injuries or as the chronic lower back pain. So no matter deficiency or excess, what kind of that is, if the pain is the side muscles, we treat in another way. If the left side, if the right side lower back pain, the muscle pain, use the left hand. Left hand lower pain have a few special points. The first point is called lingu. Lingu is belong to large intestine meridian. So 手阳明大肠经 is L4.5 is between 阳池 and 合谷 is large intestine 4.5 called lingu point. And the second is between 合谷 and 三间, a second point called 大白. Okay, this is 2 points. And the other point is belong to the small intestine meridian, as between the small intestine 3 and 4 is 3.5 about here. It's about and the small fingers, the handle above the node here is 3.5. This is the third point. Another point is belong to 三焦 meridian. 三焦 meridian is 3.5. 三焦 3.5 is here. Yeah, these 4 points mainly treat the upper side lower back pain. The opposite, left side treat the right side, and the right hand treat the left side. Okay, this is one hand. The other hand to find the meridian from the lung meridian. Lung meridian is from the elbow. You try to find the most sensitive points around these muscles, because according to Dr. Tan's meridian balance, muscles treat muscles. If these muscles, the lung muscles, treat the back muscles, this lung meridian balance blade meridian. So find the most sensitive points. Maybe put 1 to 3 needles around these muscles, and you can find the muscles pain, the lower back muscle pain, immediately release. And if it is chronic disease means you must balance the whole body, not only the upper body, include the lower body. So the lower body is here. If the right side lower back pain, we choose the blade meridians. Find either Wei zone or Chen sang. Find which one is most sensitive. Find 1 point, and then you go deep to the muscle. You can find the pain release. Plus, 足三里 is stomach meridian. 足三里 is stomach 36. Okay, and then to the left side, you see the yin meridian. It's like a spring line, yin ling quan, because the muscles belong to spring control the muscles, yin ling quan, or the liver meridian, or kidney meridian, kidney balance blade meridian, kidney meridian balance blade meridian. So find all those points, most sensitive points, to treat the lower back pain. If you find the deficiency of kidney, maybe you can find the kidney 7 is a Fuliu point. Kidney 7 Fuliu is very helpful for the lower back pain and strengthen your kidney energy. And this is mainly to treat the lower back pain belong to the muscles areas.